Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about all the things you need to understand and know around what is a web portal for your organization, for your association, or any kind of business engaged in having a central digital hub. What are some of the options? What are some of the things that you really, concepts that you really need to understand to make the right choices in 2024? Got a load of knowledge about this. I'm going to share it with you. There's going to be a knowledge dump here, folks. I will be back in a few moments. So I'm coming back. So you're looking at building a hub, a portal, a business portal for business to business, for business to consumer. There's a lot of overlap. There's a lot of confusion out there. I'm going to attempt in this video, which I'm going to attempt also to keep as short as possible, but I've written a really fantastic article that goes into all this in a lot more detail. You'll find the link in the video description. So what is a portal? Well, it's a ever-moving target, folks, because fundamentally it can be whatever you want it to be. But the way I see it is I see it as a hub in like the hub of a wheel, which can supply, can be provide a front door to your customers. It can be a place where your internal staff can communicate, can share information, documents, and secure discussions. There's an element of education for the people inside the business, or could be offered if you're part of an association or a more public facing education that you can offer to donors, or there's loads of circumstances out here. Now, can you see that this is a broad canvas? There's also some very large players in the digital portal area, like Salesforce, which is in the name more sales focus, and they're similar. There's players like HubSpot that also combine internal needs of organization with marketing automation website in a more also kind of sales orientated, but more digital marketing orientated than maybe what Salesforce is. There's other very large platforms that provide finance. They come from companies like Oracle, Microsoft. These are very expensive platforms, very powerful. But I'm talking in this video for organizations, let's say from 10 to 100 people, where these type of solutions, even Salesforce, could be, if you take in the amount of time you need and specialist consultation you need to get a system up and running that could really benefit your organization, is probably not suitable. Even HubSpot, the price can increase quite a lot. So what are some more affordable solutions? Well, I think a good combination is to look at something from a company called Zoho. They are Indian based, but it's a $1 to $2 billion company, and they have users all over the world. Some of their, especially when it comes to a hub that stores all the information about your staff and provide a platform for discussion, some of their plug solutions really work with that. But another element is to utilize WordPress with some key plugins, like utilizing a modern learning management system, which can be adapted to be your knowledge center of the whole organization. Plus, you got plugins like Fluent CRM, which enable you to do the marketing automation, which something like HubSpot covers, or something like Active Campaign. And you can combine WordPress with elements of Zoho and have a very cost-effective and powerful solution there. I could go on about this for ages, but I really feel that looking at WordPress with something like Zoho, and there's a couple of other hosted or SaaS solutions, bit like Zoho, that you can choose from that work well with WordPress. WordPress works best as the website, the content management system, and the marketing automation, and also dealing with the email outreach. But where something like Zoho works is they've got a good CRM which deals with keeping all the information inside about the organization. Where it fails is it doesn't have any good training, internal training, or training that's offered to people that are part of the association or volunteers. It's not really great in that. But if you combine the two together, WordPress with Zoho, you can get a really cost-effective system that is at 1/5 the cost of something like Salesforce or these bigger platforms. Hopefully this has been helpful. I'm making these videos every week. If you found it useful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really does help me make more of these videos. I'll see you soon, folks.